All right, now we're going to do a break that I'm really looking forward to. I participated in some of these. This is a buyer, as a collector. 2015 Immaculate Baseball, and there are some really insane cards in here. So hopefully we'll pull something really nice. There's 6 cards in here. They're going to be serial number. I think there's one serial number card, and then the rest of them are autos, relics. You can pull cleats out of here, batting gloves, ink cards, all kinds of craziness. So here is the rundown for Immaculate. Kamara Kennedy, or Kamara K, you've got the Blue Jays. Dominic D with the White Sox, Reds, and Dodgers. Doug M, you've got the Cardinals and the Rays. Dwight M, you've got the Orioles, the Red Sox, the Cubs, the Indians, the Rockies, the Tigers, the Astros, the Royals, the Marlins, the Brewers, the Mets, the A's, the Pirates, and the Padres. So thanks, Dwight, for jumping in, and we're glad you're with us. Eric K, you've got the Braves. Eric P with the Giants. John P, you've got the Yankees. Larry F with the Diamondbacks. Matthew E, you've got the Twins. Robert M with the Phillies. Robert R with the Angels. And then Scott K, you've got the Mariners, Rangers, and the Nationals. So that is the rundown for Immaculate. I can't wait. Let's see if we can't pull something really nice out of this bad boy. I've seen some boxes that have been kind of duds, and I've seen some just ridiculous. Hopefully, pull something sweet. We'll be doing another box of these here in the next couple of weeks. Let's see what we can get out of here. I don't see any crazy thick cards here. Let's see what we can get. First up, we got Todd Frazier. 63 out of 99 going to the Reds. Hang on just a second, some crazy thick cards here. Alright, next up, we got Michael Brantley going to the Indians, numbered 52 out of 99. Alright, next one is a nice one. Going to the Mariners, Ken Griffey Jr., little red parallel, numbered 8 out of 15. It's a really nice card there. Going to the Mariners. Alright, next up, we got a nice little quad relic here. Number 28 out of 99 for the Twins, Kenny Vargas. I guess that's 4 jerseys or maybe a couple jerseys and socks or something. Alright, next hits. Got an Immaculate Hitters, Evan Longoria relic going to Tampa Bay, numbered 64 out of 99. Pulling a bunch of relics here. And then the next hit is our first auto here, AJ Cole. Immaculate rookie going to the Washington Nationals, number 62 out of 99. And we've got a nice shadow box auto, Dalton Pompey, going to the Toronto Blue Jays. And that one is not numbered. Oh yeah, it's 32 out of 49. Come on, man. Well, whatever. 32 out of 49. So Blue Jays picking up a hit. So we're definitely going variety in this break. That one. And then the last hit of the break is a nice one for the Cleveland Indians. Corey Kluber, Immaculate Ink. Nice gold signature there, numbered 8 out of 49. I don't know what that is he signed it on. But really nice card there. Another nice one for the Indians. Alright, so that's going to be it for Immaculate. Let me give you the recap here in case you went commercial and missed anything. We had Immaculate Ink, Corey Kluber, number to 49 for the Indians. A.J. Cole, rookie auto, numbered 62 out of 99 for the Nationals. Evan Longoria, hitters, relic, numbered to 99 for the Tampa Bay Rays. A quad relic, Kenys Vargas, numbered to 99 for the Twins. This is maybe the nicest one here. Ken Griffey Jr., nice 8 out of 15. Red parallel jersey going to Seattle. And a Michael Brantley, number to 99 for Cleveland. And then Todd Frazier, number to 99 for Cincinnati. And then we did have one shadow box, signature Dalton Pompey, number to 49 going to the Blue Jays. So that is the rundown for Immaculate. Again, we'll do this here in the next couple weeks. So not bad, definitely seen better, but some nice hits in that. So thanks for jumping in, and we'll get these cards mailed out to you tomorrow.